Welcome to This Explainer. I am absolutely thrilled you're joining us today because honestly, we're about to completely demystify a topic that causes just way too much unnecessary confusion. I'm talking about affiliate marketing. Now, if you've been sitting on the sidelines because you thought, hey, I don't have a blog, I can't do this, well, get ready. We are talking about a massive paradigm shift here. In 2026, you absolutely do not need a website to start earning. We're going to give you the exact playbook to monetize the audience you already have. Here is our incredibly straightforward playbook for today. We're going to bust the no website myth, reveal our top 10 affiliate programs, dive into some really cool Pinterest and SEO strategies, cover the critical mistakes you absolutely have to avoid, and finally, we'll hand you your personalized affiliate action plan. Let's get right into it.
Kicking things off with Section 1, the no website myth. We are throwing out the traditional rulebook.
I totally understand the intimidation a lot of beginners feel. Historically, you'd think you had to buy a domain, build out this complex blog, and just wait months and months for traffic to show up. So let me ask you directly, can you actually do affiliate marketing without a website? Well, take a deep breath, because the answer is a resounding yes. You just use different channels to get it done.
To put this into perspective, according to the Influencer Marketing Hub, a whopping 79% of marketers are now using social media to promote their affiliate offers. Think about that for a second. That means people are literally turning their TikTok doom scrolling, their YouTube channels, and their Instagram bios into actual money-making storefronts.
But hey, it's not just social media either. Email marketing is an absolutely incredible avenue. Based on reporting from Litmus, email generates a jaw-dropping $36 in return on investment for every single dollar spent. If you have a newsletter, even a small one, you've got a highly engaged, highly profitable affiliate channel sitting right there in your inbox.
This really brings the whole shift into focus. Just look at the contrast between the two. The old way, traditional affiliate marketing, relied heavily on pulling your hair out over technical setups and fighting tooth and nail for Google search traffic. But modern affiliate marketing, it leverages the networks you're already using every single day. It's all about reaching your audience immediately, right where they already hang out, whether that's scrolling through TikTok, checking their email, or browsing Pinterest.
Moving right along to Section 2, Top 10 Affiliate Programs. We're categorizing the arsenal.
All right, so now that we know for sure you don't need a website, what exactly should you promote? Well, I've categorized the very best programs by niche for you. But before we dive into those, let me just put my teacher hat on for a quick second and define a super vital term you're going to hear a lot: cookie duration. This is simply the specific time window after someone clicks your link where you will still earn a commission if they end up buying. Simple as that, right?
Okay, let's kick things off with the business and freelance category. These platforms are absolutely fantastic for educators, agencies, and B2B creators. We've got Jotform, which is a really powerful form builder, Fiverr, the massive freelance marketplace, and SocialPilot, an awesome social media management tool. And just look at those incredible cookie durations. I mean, up to 90 days for SocialPilot. That is a massive window of opportunity.
Now, what's really interesting here is Jotform's massive 30% recurring commission. This demonstrates exactly what a high-value B2B offer actually looks like. Instead of just getting paid a flat fee once, you get a 30% cut for every single paid user you refer, recurring throughout their entire first year as a customer. Plus, they pair that with a really generous 60-day cookie. It's a total game changer.
Moving on to the broad and digital category. These massive networks, places like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Awin, and CJ Affiliate, are absolutely perfect if you talk about general consumer goods, tech gadgets, digital courses, or honestly, if you just want to test out a bunch of different niches. Awin alone connects creators with over 30,000 brands across fashion, finance, and retail. Talk about having options.
Now, you might be wondering about Amazon, since their initial cookie is only 24 hours long. But here is a super surprising fact. If a customer adds a product to their cart during that first 24-hour window, that cookie actually extends for up to 89 days for that specific item. So Amazon's massive conversion power and built-in trust totally make up for that shorter initial window.
Next up, we have our lifestyle and travel category, featuring travel payouts, Etsy, and Impact. For all the digital nomads out there tuning in, Travel Payouts is brilliant because it combines multiple travel brands, flights, hotels, car rentals, the whole shebang, into one easy centralized hub. And Impact is just fantastic for securing brand deals with major subscription services and retailers.
All right, let's transition into Section 3,
Pinterest and SEO strategies. This is your traffic engine.
So the million-dollar question: how do you actually drive traffic to these programs when you don't have a blog? Let's use Pinterest as our prime example of a powerful social search engine. Here is a direct, highly effective 3-step strategy you can use. First, research the actual keywords people are searching for in your niche. Next, optimize your pins with those specific keywords so they rank higher. And third, utilize rich pins to seamlessly grab people's attention.
You might be asking, why are rich pins so absolutely crucial? Well, as more and more purchase journeys start natively on platforms like Pinterest, rich pins seamlessly guide consumers directly from that initial moment of discovery straight to checkout. They automatically pull extra, up-to-date information right into the pin itself. This makes the buyer's journey incredibly smooth and completely bypasses the need for you to ever build a traditional landing page just to pre-sell them.
Section 4. Mistakes you must avoid. Consider these the guardrails for beginners.
You know, because it's so wonderfully easy to start affiliate marketing today, it's also incredibly easy to fall into some pretty major traps. Here are 4 monsters you absolutely must avoid. Number 1, joining way too many programs at once. Number 2, promoting things you don't actually understand or use. 3, ignoring legal disclosure rules. And 4, choosing high commissions over actual audience fit. Listen, without a website, your credibility is literally your single most valuable asset. You have to protect it fiercely.
So, if you take nothing else away from this part, the absolutely crucial point is this: choosing high commissions over audience fit is a total trap. Actually, scratch that. It's the quickest way to ruin your reputation. A small commission on a product that genuinely solves a real problem for your audience is always going to outperform some random, high-paying offer that makes 0 sense for your brand. Trust is what actually drives clicks and conversions at the end of the day.
Bringing us to our final section. Section 5, your affiliate action plan. Start simple and build from there. Just to bring this all together, remember that success in this space is a marathon, not a sprint. We've thrown out the old rulebook. You do not need a website to start earning today. You've got the top programs, the modern strategies, and the guardrails to keep you on track. The trick is to focus on just 1 or 2 highly relevant programs that naturally fit your existing content. So I'll leave you with this one provocative question. You don't need a website. So which platform are you going to start monetizing today? Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer. Go out there and turn your network into real income.